we do eyeliner because I know y'all it's a struggle. Welcome to my face. It's sad, but like, here's my skin. I literally just have a bunch of scars right now. So we are going to use some foundation from the drugstore. It's called Fit Me, and this is my mom, but it fits me because I'm her daughter. Step 1, wash your face, because if you don't wash your face, this to wash my face because it is so nice, and I only started using this like a month ago. And my skin's improved like big time. I also use this stuff. It's pretty great. It's this stuff. This stuff too, it's pretty great. We're all great. I know no one cares, but I don't care that you don't care. Here's this too. Okay, I think we're done for this clip. Once you have some like foundation, just put it on your face like that. And rub it, don't rub it into your face. I took my nose ring out, and you're welcome. On your eyes, yeah, I know your eyes are your eyes, and just don't be scared of it because it's your eyes. I get some more because I'm greedy and because I need more. Here's some mud, there we go. I don't really wear makeup because I can't, because you have to wear a mask. Like, I was gonna wear lipstick this year, but I guess that's canceled. Make sure you like blend it so you don't look weird. Like powder stuff, it's nude because we do be naked though. And you put this all over your face so you can just blind everyone. Oh my god, the boys are probably like so bored right now, but like, I'm entertaining, so screw them. Highlighter, even though I just applied highlighter, but I'm gonna apply it here because this is where the light naturally hits your face. And I'm Canadian. Don't inhale it. My nose bridge, some on my forehead, some on my chin, and some on my philtrum. I don't know what it's called. This thing, like this, like on my cheekbones. Oh my god, someone's vacuuming. It's probably from like Sephora's or something. It's really old, but I love it because it tastes good and it makes your lips thick. Here's my blush. It is drugstore blush. I like to put some on the tip of my nose because it's cute. I don't know who does this, but like, you take your pencil, because I'm using this brown pencil. So there's a few ways how to do eyeliner, but I like to do this one because it's the easiest. You do this. I know thick is good in some cases, but not with eyeliner. I like to do sometimes, if you want to look Egyptian, I look like I'm gonna stab myself in the eye. You're gonna want to go to the corner of your eye. Oh my god, I am sad. This is what your Q-tip is for. It's for like mistakes. What I like to do is you like, do like the corner a little bit. Like that. You see the corner of your eye here? You're gonna take it and draw it out. You're gonna want to make a line from the corner of your eye and then go towards your eyebrow. You're just gonna want to take it and connect it. And I f up. There you go. And that concludes your eyeliner. I'm gonna do it on the other eye. Sometimes I even just do like a really crappy job like doing the line, and then I just take my thing and I just swoop it. Also, I know people do like pulling their eye and stuff, and they're like, you're gonna get wrinkly eyes faster. Oh my god! Oh my god, I hate my fucking self right now, I swear to god. Have your eyelash curler. Try not to like touch your eyeliner. I mean, people have like short eyelashes, I understand, and then they can't even curl them. Then just like don't curl your lashes. And get your mascara. It's nice and I like it. Here's another thing you can stick into your eye. You see how I'm not going to the base of my eyelashes and stroking up like, gee. No, it's just the tips, sweetheart. Also, I have like 1,500 million earrings. I'm gonna wear these ones. These are earrings. These are, I can't do this anymore. Focus, focus, focus. Are you blind? Focus. Are you blind? Here are these earrings. They're like these studs. Oh my god. Be gentle while sweeping the floor. My god. Where's the other one? I wore this bandana because I feel like a heather in this. Even though I'm nowhere close to a heather.